Hurricane Preparedness Week, now is the time to prepare, including for high winds. Hurricane force winds can last up to 24 hours. So what you just saw was just a storm. Imagine that up to 2 days. So it's super important to take shelter in a sturdy building and secure items around your home.
Just take notice of where those large trees are around your home. It may not be realistic to have those trees and any big branches cut off, but at least you know if there is a severe thunderstorm or hurricane coming through, that can help you decide where it may be safest to take shelter in your home.
You're at the house right now, so this is the time to prepare. Before it gets windy, prepare your home. You know, strong winds can bring down power lines and trees. So remember, Hurricane Dorian last year, tropical force winds reached as far as Mount Mitchell and lasted for almost a day. So Davis says right now that this is the time to prepare, and if during a storm you do, get these hurricane strong winds, go to the interior part of your home and of course on the lowest level. Bill Ray, I know we're already dealing with the pandemic, but this also goes for preparing for other hazards and disasters.